Hello and welcome to the Envato Marketplace Black Friday Cyber Monday week sale. This is for the green pop-up. This is the best pop-up plugin for WordPress, currently on sale for $10, which is about 50% off. This plugin features 4.76 out of 5 stars. Let's check out some of the features. You can demo the product right here. The links are down below. Basically, you can do all kinds of pop-ups, from on-load pop-ups, on-scroll, on-exit, even has an on-ad block detector, on-click, inline object, so that you can display the pop-up directly inside of your post. Works with shortcode, and here are the awesome templates. Let's check out the demo right here. So here is a pop-up example. My favorite thing about Green's pop-up is the A/B split testing campaign. You can split test multiple pop-ups to see which one performs better for ROI. And there's also the pop-up library with one-click import. So here are the templates which you can use as your own pop-up by importing it directly with a few simple clicks. And there are a lot of good templates. Alright, let's take a look at the back-end demo, the admin right here, Green Pop-ups. And all you have to do is go to the pop-ups library, and you can design your own pop-ups too if you want, but for me I like to use templates. So there's like over 100 you can choose from. So I'm just gonna pick one right here, just click and just import it, and now we can customize it right here. Just add your text, customize your text, and then integrate with your own email services like Aweber, GetResponse. It works for all of the major ones, so you don't have to worry about that. And I have video tutorial on how to set these up down below if you're interested. Once you're happy with your customization, you can preview it like this, and here's the pop-up just like that. Very beautiful, very easy. I hope you like this. Try it out for yourself. Currently on sale, 50% off for a limited time only. Check it out, links below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy marketing.